Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about lemons, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with lemons. I've got them divided into different categories. So if you're looking for some new recipe ideas or meal ideas using lemons, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, including nuts and legumes and seeds, almonds pair well with lemons, beans in general, chicken, chickpeas, edamame, which we know is soybeans, eggs, fish and other seafoods, flax, hazelnuts, lentils, nuts in general, peas, pecans, pistachios, poppy seeds, snap peas, tahini, tofu, and veal. In the way of vegetables, there's artichokes, arugula, asparagus, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, chives, cucumbers, eggplant, fennel, garlic, ginger, kale, leeks, mushrooms, onions, parsnips, potatoes, radicchio, radishes, shallots, squash, as in summer squash, tomatoes, and zucchini. In the way of other fruits that pair well with lemons, there's avocados, blackberries, blueberries, currants, guavas, lime, mangoes, olives, orange, papayas, peaches, pears, plantains, raspberries, and strawberries. In the way of grains and grain products, there is amaranth, corn, couscous, noodles, rice, wild rice, and whole grains in general. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter, cheese, especially cream cheese, goat cheese, pecorino, and ricotta cheese. There's cream, mascarpone, milk, as in almond milk, and also in dairy milk as well, and yogurt. In the way of other foods, there's capers, chocolate, coconut, honey, maple syrup, mint, miso, mustard, like Dijon mustard, oil, especially olive oil, sugar, especially brown sugar, tea, vinegar, and wine, especially dry white wine. Well, I do hope this helps. Bye for now.